Hello everyone and welcome to today's session on Jira Tutorial for Beginners by Intellipaat. In this session, we will learn all about what is Jira and all its properties. So without further wait, let's start the session. But before we begin the session, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us.
So here we have our first agenda, that is what is Jira. So Jira is a subscription-based project management tool that is used to track and manage tasks, projects, and teams. Jira's strength is its ability to accommodate any project type by embracing a wide range of tools and integrations. The software that was created by an Australian software company called Atlassian is now extensively used by agile development teams to monitor bugs, stories, epics, and other activities. Now let's move on to our next agenda, that is what is its purpose. Jira was originally created to track bugs and issues, but it was later enhanced to become a project management tool. Jira is now accessible in three versions, that is Jira Core, Jira Software, and Jira Service Desk. Jira Core, as the name implies, is developed for project management teams and includes tools to assist them in completing a variety of projects. The Jira software incorporates of all the Jira basic functionalities as well as Agile functionality. Jira Service Desk is intended for IT professionals and other vocations that are categorized as service desk jobs. Jira is one of the most user-friendly applications in the market and it is renowned for a number of features. But how is Jira put to use and what are the many applications of Jira in the industry? That is all we will look moving forward. Now let's move on to our next agenda, that is features. The first feature that we'll talk about here is detailed reporting. Jira provides extensive reporting on every process and task completed in the software to its users. The reports are quite thorough and cover almost every aspect of the project. The software functions in the same way as a typical project management tool, including reports on completed tasks, completion states, tracking periods, the time necessary for each activity, and so on. Jira's thorough reporting allows users to keep track of the status of each project work and develop better documentation. It also aids project managers in creating attractive project documentation with these reports. Next feature is roadmap for the project. Jira's project roadmap allows users to get a clear picture of the type of product they're working on. It aids in the development of a project timeline, the listing of many tasks that must be completed in order to complete the project, and the creation of both short and long-term goals. Next we have tracking of time. The time tracking component of Jira is also quite useful. It allows users to keep track of how much time they spend on each task assigned in the workflow. This also aids team members in tracking individual progress and gaining an approximate idea of how long the project will take to complete. Next, we'll talk about the mobile application. Jira also offers a mobile application capability that features a user-friendly design and allows users to work from anywhere. This feature also allows the user to check on the state of the project from a remote location and track the progress of each work. In addition, the mobile application contains a slew of additional features that makes it easy for users to operate. Now, before understanding in detail how Jira is used for project management, we should first understand what is project management and what are its key components. So let's move on to our next agenda, that is the meaning of project management. So the process of leading a project from start to finish is referred to as project management. The primary goal of project management is to finish a project within the time, money, and quality constraints that have been defined. Because projects are not meant to remain indefinitely, they have life cycles. A project management life cycle begins with the start of the project and concludes with the completion or termination of the project in some form. Let's take a look at the next agenda, that is how is Jira used for project management. Now for project management teams, Jira can be very beneficial. It is highly compatible and it can be set up to work with any project. Jira's compatibility is what has made it so successful in the market. Jira provides a plethora of project templates for project management teams to pick from. A group can even make their own templates from which to develop their own workflow. The program keeps track of each item of work as it moves through the workflow, ensuring that all tasks are performed. Furthermore, the admins will be able to see who is working on which task in the project and will be able to track the task's progress. Jira's project templates record everything, including reports, workflow, and progress tracking. This allows the project manager to see everything in one location and easily point out tasks that need to be completed. Let's move on to our next agenda, that is other applications and uses of Jira. Firstly, we have for software development teams. Now, the Jira software cloud services are provided to the software industry by Jira. The cloud services are among the most effective in the industry. They provide tools to assist in data planning and mapping. Furthermore, these technologies assist team members in managing data from stakeholders, budgets, and a variety of other tasks on a daily basis. Jira's ability to interface with numerous CI and CD solutions is well recognized. It gives users transparency. Jira is a complete solution that the entire industry can use for a variety of reasons. A corporation does not need to invest in other cloud services with the help of this technology. Next up, we have for Kanban. Jira has improved its Kanban system in a number of ways after acquiring Trello. Trello is a famous Kanban project management solution that is utilized in a variety of businesses due to its user-friendly interface and extensive capabilities. However, Jira's Kanban system has improved since Atlassian purchased Trello. A Kanban board can be put up at the start of a project or added to it as the project progresses. There's even a tutorial for folks who are just getting started with the Kanban approach. Jira Kanban's workflow system is a drag and drop method, making it simple to move completed jobs around. Next, we'll talk about Scrum. Jira even assists the user in generating project Scrum boards. The Scrum boards assist the person in keeping track of sprints and backlogs so that the project can be completed more quickly. Jira Scrum board is ideal for large projects because it streamlines the entire project process. Putting up a new Scrum board for the project follows the same steps as setting up a Kanban board. The person can pick up items from the backlogs and place them in the sprints separately. Furthermore, Jira converts these sprints into little Kanban boards so that the project can be easily managed and there is no chaos when working on it. Next application is content management. Jira even includes a content management feature for the firm. The person will see a Kanban workflow on their screens after picking this option. The person may effortlessly compose, modify, and work on the content with the screen flow. Furthermore, Jira can be linked with WordPress and Squarespace, allowing users to effortlessly migrate their work from one platform to another. This allows the user to edit without having to worry about data loss during the transfer procedure. Next, we have product management. The Jira Cloud services give the team a number of templates from which they can create a project roadmap. These roadmaps are useful for initiatives that will take a long time to complete. It assists the team in keeping track of the development and even sharing the project's progress with other authorities. Depending on the type of project being undertaken, a person can even add more specifics to the roadmap. By connecting it with Confluence, you can even create a dynamic roadmap for a particular project. Next up, we have task management. Jira can also be used to manage the company's numerous tasks. Users can assign themselves multiple jobs and even supply others with assignments to do with the help of Jira's workflow. There are also subtask choices which may be used to break down a larger task into numerous smaller tasks and then execute them in the appropriate order. The team will be able to complete the task in less time by breaking it down into subtasks, and it will be easy to track progress with this strategy. Next, we'll talk about bug detection. As previously said, Jira is a project management tool. It was created to track down numerous faults and issues in the project earlier. With the help of Jira, anyone in the team may simply see and fix any defects that are there. Jira's robust workflow engine is capable of automatically assigning problems and focusing on them based on the project's requirements. As a result, the software assists team in tracking defects until the project is completed. Next up, we have tracking issues. Jira was originally created to track bugs and issues. As previously stated, the software enables the user to recognize different types of problems and solve them appropriately. Furthermore, users can create their own project issues and then prioritize them. Focusing on them according to the project's phases. It also aids in the tracking of issues as the project progresses. With that, let's move on to our next agenda, that is the benefits of using Jira. The first benefit that is there is that Jira is very cost effective. The cost of using Jira is lower than that of other similar projects. Jira is inexpensive for the company and does not charge a lot of money. As a result, it is more accessible to businesses that are just getting started in the market. Furthermore, Jira's prices are reasonable, making it simple to invest in this program. Next benefit is user adoption. meaning that it is simple to use. A user is more likely to utilize Jira than any other software products on the market because of its user-friendly design. Jira has a user interface that is easy to use and understand. Furthermore, it offers a large range of documentation and forums, making it simple for users to learn and adapt to the tool. Jira even offers tutorials to help businesses learn how the software application works and how to utilize it effectively. Next benefit is that Jira is scalable and customizable. Jira allows users to tailor it to their specific requirements. A corporation can adjust the program to meet the project's needs and obtain the desired results. For small to large businesses, Jira can be used to track requirements. Also, Jira can be used by any type of private equity firm depending on their requirements. It may be used in almost any sector thanks to its flexible templates and processes. With that, we come to our next agenda, that is a simple hands-on. Let's see how the dashboard of Jira looks. For the hands-on, I would prompt you to just open your Google and type in install Jira. Also, what else you can do is type in trial version of Jira. Now, these two are kind of different things. Installing Jira is a task, that is, you can install Jira into your local system and make your site run. And the trial version of Jira, you can just go to the website and use it for free. Let's try doing this first. Just click on the first link. You can see it says atlassian.com, and we will click on get it now because we are going for a trial version. Now when you click on get it now, we have two options here that says work email and your site. So this is the default email, and we will try to give a name to the site. Let's say I want trial, and it will show if it's already taken or not. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and that is already taken. After trying a bunch of names, I have given the name as trial 242, and I just click on agree, and then the page starts loading up. It says one moment, your site is starting up. This might take a while. After loading, we come to this page where it says help us set up your Jira. So let's say I am new to Jira and my team is also new to Jira, and let's say we spend our time working on features and we have a tight schedule. And next I will try to give a name. It says content. The key will be CON and create project. And select some tools now, and we will help you connect them later. Okay, so we'll go with Google Sheets, GitHub, Jenkins. That's it. Next, invite your teammates. As of now, this is just a hands-on, so I wouldn't be doing this, but anyone going for a real project using Jira can add in the email address of their co-workers or their employees, and they will get a notification that a project is going on Jira. So let's skip this, and it does not give a necessary fill-in pop-up. So this is how the Jira dashboard looks like. Let's take a tour. All the work gets added in the backlog, and we can just take a look from everything that we want from the backlog, and we have something called issues. Issues are basically, they typically represent things like user requirements, bugs, and any of the work that an employee must complete. So those are issues, and click on next. It talks about sprint. Then we have more about sprint and insights. They help you track work during a sprint, and that is it. This is how the dashboard feels like. We have the roadmap that I talked about, the board, project pages, shortcut, your work, dashboards, everything is right here. And that is the look and feel of the Jira dashboard. Let's get back to our video. And now we have reached the conclusion. So as previously stated, Jira is a very suitable project management tool in the software industry, as well as a variety of other sectors. It may be applied to any sector and makes work much easier. Jira assists in finishing the project in less time and with better results by breaking the work into smaller jobs. In today's industry, Jira is a must-have. With its amazing features and easy to understand software tools, Jira has taken over the majority of the market, be it the software industry, retail industry, any type of business, or any other area. And that's all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides PG certification in business analysis and product management by ENICT Academy, MNIT Jaipur. The course link of which is given in the description below.